Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at week 4, lesson 2. This is where we cover power of a product. So far we have learned the product property of exponents, where we add our exponents together to solve. We have learned the quotient property of exponents, where we subtract our exponents to solve. And on a worksheet like this, the power property, we are going to learn what happens when we multiply these exponents. So as we've covered in a lot of our algebra lessons, whenever you see the multiplication, or the parentheses, it means that you are going to multiply those numbers. So parentheses is sometimes used as a way to symbolize multiplication. So when we look at number 2, as an example, this says 2 squared raised to the second power. So the fastest way to solve this would be to write it as 2 raised to the 2 times 2. Well, then we know that 2 times 2 is 4. So this is really 2 to the 4th power. And our answer is D. But the reason why we multiply these exponents together is because this is 2 squared. And we know from previous lessons that 2 squared is 2 times 2. So if we know that 2 squared is 2 times 2, but now it's telling us, well, what is that squared? Meaning, what is 2 times 2 multiplied by itself twice? Well, 1 is 2 times 2, and to get the twice, we have another 2 times 2. And we would see that it would end up with a total of 4 2s, 2 to the 4th. We can take a look at number 4 as another example. It's asking 3 cubed to the 4th power. Well, the simple way to do this would be to multiply our exponents, where we have 3 to the 3 times 4. And then we know that 3 times 4 is 12. And our answer option is B. The reason why this works. 3 cubed is really saying 3 times 3 times 3. Multiplying 3 out by itself 3 times. And it says if we take this 3 cubed and we raise it to the 4th power, meaning we multiply it by itself 4 times, well, we have it written out once. We can write it out twice. We can write it out 3 times. And now we can write it out 4 times. So what we now have written here in this box is 3 cubed written out 4 times. And if we counted all of the 3's in this box, we would see that we get 12, 3 to the 12th power.